Good morning, it's Mrs. McMillan. I hope you're having a great day today. It is time for another morning message, and I may have time to make a video of reading a story later. I might share that later with you, but let's go ahead and work on a morning message today. Let's review our days of the week, and remember the days of the week are always in a certain order or sequence. So let's go ahead and start. And I'm going to point to the words, and I'd like you to help me read. Are we ready? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So, did you know that today is Wednesday? It is. Today is Wednesday. That means yesterday was Tuesday. If today is Wednesday, tomorrow will be Thursday. Let's go ahead and write our day of the week here. I've got my greeting again. Good morning. And there's that exclamation point. So today is Wednesday, and we are going to go ahead and write Wednesday. A really long word. I hope I can fit it in here. Wednesday, and there's the comma. It is the month of May, and today is the 20th day of May, so I'm going to write the number 20, and then we have our year, 2020. Let's read it. Today is Wednesday, May 20th, 2020, and I have a sentence here that I thought we could talk about the weather today, and we're going to write the word that describes the weather today in this blank. It is. And if you listen, you can hear the rain that is falling outside my window. It's very, very loud, and I even heard some thunder. So the weather at my house is rainy, so I'm going to write the word rainy. So I've got R, and then we have two vowels together. Remember that little rule I told you? The first vowel does the talking, and the second vowel does the walking. So we have A-I, and we only hear A's name, A. So we have Ray, and rainy. It sounds like E's name, but it's copycat Y. And there's my period because I'm telling you about the weather. It is raining. Is it raining at your house? Today would be a good day to stay inside and play some learning games. And I have one that I made for you today, and it's reviewing the months of the year. And all I did was write every month of the year, and then I cut them into rectangles and put them in order, starting with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And then I just took a piece of paper and I wrote the numbers on these little squares, and this is a good way to practice putting the months of the year in sequence. Do you know how many months there are in a year? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 months in the year, and all I did was write numbers 1 all the way to 12 and cut them into little papers like that. So let's go ahead and match up the number with the month of the year, and then we can mix them up and put them in order for the second time. It's a fun game. All right, here we go. So January is the first month, so there's 1. February is 2. March, 3, the third month. April is the 4th month, so there's my 4. May, we have the 5th month, so there's a 5. Next comes June, and it is the 6th month, so we have our 6. After June comes July, and that's the 7th month, so there's my 7. August, we have the 8th month. September is the 9th month, so there's my 9. Next comes, in sequence, October, which is the 10th month, so there's my 10. And next is November, there's the 11. And the last month of the year is December. It is the 12th month, so we have our 12. So if we look here, we have all the months in order. We've numbered them. And once we get to December, the last day of December comes and we go back to January. So now I'm going to take up the months of the year, and I'm just going to quickly gather them. And I'm going to mix them up. And that way I'm going to play a little game where I can choose the month, read it, and then write or place the name of the month under the correct number. So let's make sure these are all ready. All right, I'm going to put these face down like that. And then I'm going to pick a month. Let's read it. Oh, what is that one? Starts with a J. It could be June, could be July, but it's a lot longer. It's January. And we know that January is the very first month, so we're going to match it up with the number 1. All right. Here, picked another month. What month is that? Oh, it's the month that it is now. It is May, and May is the 5th month. So I'm going to match it up with the number 5. All right. Here's another month that also begins with May. I mean, with M, like May does. It is March, and March is the 3rd month. So we still don't know what these other months are, so let's pick another one. All right. Ooh, this is a big one. Looks like Sunday or Saturday, but remember, those are days of the week. These are the months of the year. So the month of the year that begins with an S is September, and that is the 9th month. Okay. All right, another one we picked out was April. Now April is the 4th month, so we're going to match it up with the 4. All right, then we have February, and that is the 2nd month, so we're going to match it up with the 2. So far we have January, February, March, April, May, and we have some other months that we need to choose. So I'm going to pick another one. And there's the last month of the year is December, so it is the 12th month, so we're going to match it up with the 12. All right, then I found October. October is the 10th month. It comes after September, which is the 9th month. All right, we've got a few more to do. Ooh, this month begins with an A like April, but it doesn't make A's name. It's got a vowel U after the A, and you can make aw. So this is August. August is when we usually start school. That is the 8th month. Let's pick another one. Let's see, we have November. And what's fun about the word November, I can find the word no in there. Now, November is the 11th month. All right, we're almost done. Let's see what we have next. We have June. Could be January because it begins like J, or it could be July. But if you notice, we have that silent E on the end. It's making you say you. June. And June is when we normally get out of school, and that is the 6th month. That leaves the 7th month. Do you know what this last one is? Let's see if we can read it. It starts like June, but it is got that copycat Y at the end. July, and that is the 7th month. So let's go ahead and double check and make sure we completed the game correctly. So we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Did you like playing this game? You could make it yourself. Remember, all you need is some paper and a pencil or a marker or even a crayon. You can write the months of the year in order on one paper, and then you can write numbers 1 all the way to 12 and play this game. I'm going to end my morning message today with telling you what my favorite month is. My favorite month is April. And April is my favorite month because that's when my birthday is. And I always enjoy April too because it is springtime and the flowers are growing and it's nice to get outside and play. So on this rainy day, maybe make a game like this. You could do the months of the year, or you could even do the days of the week. And there are how many days in a week? There are 7. And you could do the same thing with the days of the week. Hope you have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.